In our 20 years of innovation, Team A10 has accomplished a lot. From winning the highest Rookie Seed Award in our first season, to achieving a True Blue season in 2018, to even working internationally with teams in Africa, we continue to innovate, persevere, and share the unique learning experience through STEM.
Recently, Team A10 has revamped our mentorship of our District 6 First LEGO League teams. Our members assist these teams each week by teaching them fundamental engineering skills and the spirit of gracious professionalism, providing them with insight into the opportunities of FIRST and STEM.
Team A10's first robotics season never truly ends, as our team takes an active role in our local community. The St. James Day Street Fair and the Tesla Birthday Expo are just a few of these events where we work to spread awareness for our teams, STEM, and FIRST. Our team also participates in a variety of school events such as pep rally and club fairs. We always bring our competition robot, t-shirt cannon, and team-built Vex Clawbots to create an interactive and engaging experience.
Aiming to brighten the lives of children in need, we worked with the Make-A-Wish Foundation to spread STEM through kits containing 3D printed activities for children at local hospitals. After receiving these kits, the kids had an interactive and challenging look into STEM and its opportunities.
In the 2019 season, our team launched First Robotics Competition Scouting. FRCS is an accessible scouting platform acting as a centralized hub to capture and analyze robot scoring data at competitions. Recently, we redesigned FRCS to provide a more user-friendly interface using Python and JavaScript. With the influx of new First Robotics teams this year, we have made it more accessible to all.
Launching the initiative Operation Shield, our team donated over 7,000 in face shields and ear savers to local hospitals and first responders. Hoping to spread awareness for FIRST, our team was even invited to meet with our County Executive Steve Ballone in recognition of our COVID relief initiative.
This season, our team launched Ally Connect. This platform, which utilizes Slack to create a forum for discussions, has forged connections between FRC teams on Long Island. This has allowed teams to help each other with a variety of topics. The platform will continue to grow as more teams join to expand this interconnected community.
Through our international outreach effort, Operation Connect, our team has initiated and maintained communication with multiple First Tech Challenge teams in Africa. Mentoring these teams has allowed us to expand our horizons and make a positive impact in these communities. We have hosted multiple virtual meetings to advance their technical knowledge and guide them through the process of robot development.
More Than Robots has been a fundamental idea for FIRST and our team. Our long weeks of collaboration has been more than just working on robots, but also talking and laughing during our nightly team dinners. As a group brought together by a shared passion for science and engineering, Team A10 has always been and will always be a family.